Let's go. Oh, see, there are 3 bikers over here.
3 nine. There's a huge group. 4 5. Oh, Honda is also there.
That's Apache RTR. I want to see the Activa guy go off-roading. It can.
But it should not.
Almost 3 hours ke andar we reached. Yeah, we did see.
Yeah, I seen the big rock. What was that?
There was one big boulder. And then the mist cleared and then
we should
straight,
walk
this was
that
right in
side.
front of you in your face.
Yeah.
On the curve.
Yeah, yeah.
Journey kade.
Yeah. You go from here, we go from
But we
here.
can hear from here. Come.
Hurry home, man. Well, I'll go and come fast. Wait, I'll just go and come. But it's not here.
Almost reaching the waterfall. Imagine we have to climb up all the way. And nice heavy rains. And my cloth must have got wet now. Shoes got cleaned.
No.
Searching.
Yeah, stand like that. You're not making any difference to me. Where Thompson?
Yeah, we reached. And we have finally reached Kasmal Waterfall. वो देखो उधर
I'll go.
waterfall है.
Acha.
You can see the waterfall over there. There's somebody making something over there. Ah, Butta is there.
राइडिंग ग्रुप
Riding group नहीं, friends है.
अच्छा फ्रेंड्स आप सेम कहाँ पे लगा है भाई
ऊपर ही जो कंक्रीट खत्म होता है ना उसके राइट में लगा.
बाइक्स खड़ी है
नहीं उसके ऊपर.
उसके ऊपर हम तो पीछे लगाए
हाँ वही
हमारे साथ गलत संगत है ना वो गलत संगत इधर हो रहा येलो में
अच्छा.
हाँ तो उसने हमें पीयर प्रेशर में उतारा
एक एक्टिवा आपके साथ ही रखा.
नहीं ये लोग हाँ बहुत हिम्मत वाले हैं भाई
हाँ वो लीच बहुत सारा लीचेस है. 2 बार आए थे 2 जन को लगा था. नहीं सच में
सच बोल रहा हूँ
सच बोल रहा हूँ.
तो हम लोग पानी में नहीं उतर
अगर आपको किधर लग रहा है ना.
अगर ऐसा कहीं फीलिंग आए ना तो ये
हाँ
मतलब
सैनिटाइजर रहेगा ना किसके पास वो हाथ में रखना. किसी के भी लगा रहेगा तो. लास्ट ईयर तो कुछ भी नहीं था. ये भी नहीं था और वो भी नहीं था. वो सिर्फ उसका स्ट्रक्चर था. डोंट आई डोंट टू वेट माय लेग्स देन. हाँ दे या कम ना.
Thompson, take care.
Go?
Go. You go.
प्रॉमिस आई वॉन्ट किक यू फ्रॉम द बैक
देखो बाबा.
Till here you can come. I don't know if the camera is doing justice, but what a view, yeah. Through this, yeah, I swear, it would have been crazy. More crazy would have been if you would have reached till there.
Come, we can go.
Hey, hut. Come, we will go.
उससे ज़्यादा मत जाना भाई
तेरा दोस्त है.
Oi, don't pick up anything.
1 minute, अंदर पता चला इसके हाथ में सांप है.
Bro, Kevin man, why would you do that now? You might fall on fish's head and kill him then.
Is there space there? Oh, this is nice. Oh, look at this angle.
Excuse me.
Hey. I need to get down. From here? Oh, it's slippery. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, this is more. Wow. Looks beautiful, huh? It's literally a waterfall. But so much adventure is enough for us. If there would have been wind, then this would be reverse waterfall, like crazy it would have been. Oh, if you go a little bit more down. No, here. See that one? Yeah. I'm slipping. Okay.
Oi, this is slippery.
Arey, don't come from there, come from top.
What?
Come, go on top, it is slippery. See from here, that one. It is falling like that down.
Shit, yeah, I'm getting cold. Hey, Noel is not there. Shh. Call him.
Where he went in front?
I don't know.
Where this guy went?
Arey, where he's gone, man?
Oh, he's gone over there. Is there anything there? Is there? Acha. So, we are going a little bit more inside to see the view of the valley and a little bit of the waterfall can be seen. Have to be very careful. You went from top side? Huh? Okay. Okay. That way. Yeah, but yeah, the valley view is there. If here there was nothing over here, then we could have seen probably there's a river, something like that. You went ahead trekking till there. After that, it's a dead end. Yeah, you have to be careful. Okay. Yeah, no. Okay. I think that much is only the view. Chalo, let's go. From here you can see waterfall.
I think waterfall we'll get to see from here.
From here come. Yeah, if the tree was not there, then probably.
There's a path to go down.
Come now, we go now from there. There's a way there down.
No, it's very slippery nuts.
We'll go and see.
Hey, you come.
Arey, come, re.
Chal, let's go. Hey! Come here.
First time I heard like that. No, I know it. Wait, I'll tell you. I'll go and see and come.
Hey, Baba, come on top.
Thompson, there is way down. Wait.
It's way down, but no, don't go.
Arey, there is a road, man. No, Baba.
Good bit.
I can literally see the waterfall from here. Yaar, what is this? I can't come. I'll come from here only. It's easy. See this. Ooh, they went inside. Hey, this is Noel's, no?
No.
Can't even differentiate between mountains.
I don't know.
Colorblind? Blue.
Chalo, now I'm going in the water. Huh? Chal, forget it.
Take the cap and go. Nudge. Cap take. Wear properly, huh? Hey.
Ooh, nice.
Photo, I don't have camera.
That is Kevin. He's taking photographs. That is Noel.
What?
That Thompson. That is Doggy Shot. This is a dog father. He's a dog's father.
I heard dog father.
She paused, she wanted to say normally first and she changed.
Dog father.
No, Ray, I
Father
didn't.
का dog father.
What name?
Godfather का dog father. Hello.
चलो let's go.
मन भर गया तो निकल जाते
मेरा मन भर गया.
हैं stop at the other point.
चल
Which
come.
point?
On the way when you get to the valley and all that, the last one.
Let's go there. Right, take the video.
Yeah, I'll this. Look at it. Look here. यही बच्चा है जो घूम गया है. Click my photograph.
Hey.
Thompson, you better lower your voice, huh? It's irritating me. I'm recording myself.
I got another idea.
It's going to be a long way walking on top.
Let's time the walk. 9:52, Thompson. 9:52.
The dog. Yeah. Something.
Oh, he's coming with you on the top.
Kevin got extra energy and then extra frightened.
He's feeling lighter today, lighter. Oh, they are coming down. Kevin asked for it and got it. Kevin, you asked for it. Is that BMW going to go down sometime?
They can take it now. That was a beast from 650, huh?
Only, I think only this area it rains or what?
Probably, because it's on the hill.
See, now again it started raining heavily.
Yeah.
How they got through this?
From side.
Huh?
From side they must have brought.
Not over the rock?
No. From the side.
Acha. Exhausting.
Yeah, indeed. We've reached. What happened? Too much.
It's right.
It's right now clean that.
Click a video
It's already clean.
so that they know.
What work you do?
Yeah.
Only outside. You have to turn it little round and take it, put it on top. Is it gone on top? Twist it a little bit, and take it on top. Yeah, just wait 2 minutes. Okay. This is a nice place. Hut K snacks. Like small like this, like off-roading patches. Oh wow. On the right. Nothing. Oh wow. Look on the left. Yeah. Others we will wait at that viewpoint or what? There are two. Yeah. I think it will come on the left side on a curve. Yeah, right type of a turn basically. Is it here somewhere? This is like a landslide area this side. So this thing, yeah, it must have come rolling from down. Here only somewhere. Yeah, that's a spot. Front you can park the bike. I'll park over here. Nuts, get down. Time to visit another spot. Let's see if we get to see some view. Okay. So this is another viewpoint. Oh my god. Look at this. This looks so beautiful. The valley viewpoint. Last time it was covered with mist, and then mist was getting cleared that way. Our bikes are over here. 2 are parked here, 2 in the front. Your guys are coming on top. Take a picture or something. Take care, huh? Left side down. Looks beautiful, na? Come, Nuts.